The methods of managing a maintenance department have definitely evolved. Technicians must evaluate systems that are complex and technically demanding. As those in your shop work hard to paint the diagnostic story of equipment in front of them, you must look more broadly, building a mosaic out of the work to present the full picture of your fleet. In order for those in your shop to fix it right and as fast as possible, you'll need to see the nuts and bolts as they see it, because every step in that process is an opportunity for improvement. Calibrate magazine is our attempt to help you do just that. Think of it as a maintenance manager's scan tool, a way of connecting your maintenance bay and checking for faults to better calibrate your operations. Under the hood, you'll find content that provides a closer look at trucking equipment. We'll explain the trends and issues that matter most in fleet maintenance. Also, you'll learn more about what's coming and how you should plan accordingly. Starting from the first issue, you'll find guidance on overhead maintenance and shop efficiency improvements, and see how manufacturers and fleets are responding to the issues of driver comfort and safety. I'm Michael Freeze, the editor of Calibrate, and I believe that keeping up with the industry's rate of change requires us to produce content that recognizes that change as part of the process. Going forward, we will use those pages to illustrate, educate, and explain the world of equipment and maintenance as we all continue to calibrate our operations. When you need new ideas to improve your maintenance process or a new direction for your technician training, take a look inside Calibrate. We're here to help.